Before we begin, I just want to point out our customer review ratings is currently 99% for over 1 year now. You may confirm all our reviews in the description area of the video. Okay, let's start our presentation. Welcome to the picture gallery for previous Diamond Custom Shutters Incorporated, projects and window treatment home improvement decor ideas to elevate your home or office. Let's begin with blinds. Achieve a harmonious blend of aesthetics and practicality with our Canadian-made custom blinds. Zebra blinds or dual shades. Zebra blinds provide two distinct looks in one. Many zebra blind models offer motorized operation. Energy efficiency. The dual-layer design of zebra blinds helps to insulate your windows. They offer great privacy and light control. They display an elegant aesthetic appeal. Next up is vertical blinds. The use of vertical blinds is a practical and flexible choice for any space. With their adjustable slats, they effectively control the amount of sunlight while providing increased privacy. They are especially well suited for large windows and sliding doors. Next up is wood blinds. The addition of wooden blinds can bring a sense of elegance to any room. They not only offer privacy and light control, but also provide advantages such as insulation and lastingness. Next up are remote blinds. By simply pressing a button, you have the ability to easily manage the level of sunlight that enters your room, ensuring privacy is desired. Motorized blinds offer both functionality and sophistication, seamlessly enhancing a room's interior design. They are ideal for high or difficult-to-reach windows. Ideas for remote blinds. Hard-to-reach areas. High ceilings and tall windows. Faux wood blinds. Faux wood blinds provide the classic charm of authentic wood while also offering increased strength and affordability. They allow for precise adjustment of light and privacy levels through their adjustable slats, while also helping to lower energy expenses and improve insulation. Vision blinds. These one-of-a-kind window treatments provide an ideal combination of fashion and practicality, giving you the ability to regulate the level of light and seclusion in any space. Condo blinds. The combination of style and function offered by condo blinds seamlessly blends together. Their modern and streamlined design not only improves the overall appearance of your home, but also allows for privacy and control over light. Solar blinds. Solar blinds not only function as regular window coverings, but also act as a protective measure. Made with specialized materials, they reduce glare and shield against the damaging impact of UV rays, safeguarding furniture from fading while still providing a pleasant view of the outdoors. Industrial blinds. Industrial blinds offer an ideal remedy for both commercial and industrial environments. They are suitable for a wide range of purposes, including but not limited to factories, warehouses, hospitals, and office buildings. End of the blinds gallery. The next stop is the shutters gallery, where you can explore recently finished projects showcasing window shutter treatments and decoration ideas. Enhance your sophistication with personalized shutters designed specifically for your needs. Vinyl shutters. These shutters are skillfully made to be both long-lasting and easy to maintain, while also offering the option for customization to fit your personal taste. California shutters. These shutters are renowned for their long-lasting durability, thanks to the use of top-notch materials that guarantee their ability to withstand the test of time. Not only that, but these shutters also offer insulation, effectively regulating the temperature in your house and cutting down on energy expenses. Wood shutters. To adding a touch of sophistication and timelessness to any room, they also offer seclusion, the ability to control light, and insulation. Canadian custom-made shutters. Canadian custom-made shutters with a variety of materials, colors, and finishes to choose from, you can create shutters that perfectly complement your home decor and personal taste. Collection of recently finished window treatments for customers. Plantation, California, and vinyl shutters, and all window covering options are all Canadian custom made. And this concludes the Shutters Gallery. Next up is the Window Shades Gallery. Window shades. Transform your space with elegant shades that exude sophistication. Zebra shades, also known as zebra blinds or dual window shades. Sun Window Shades Gallery. Solar window shades. Your ultimate solution for enjoying the benefits of natural light while maintaining privacy and UV protection. Roller window shades. From providing privacy and light control to conserving energy and reducing glare, roller window shades are designed to enhance your space while offering convenience and functionality. Roman window shades. These versatile and stylish shades not only provide excellent light control and privacy but also enhance the overall aesthetics of any space. Solar window shades. These innovative shades offer more than just sun protection. They also block harmful UV rays, reduce glare, and insulate your windows for added energy efficiency. Motorized window shades. With just a push of a button or a voice command, you can effortlessly adjust the shades to your desired position and create the perfect ambience. Enjoy enhanced convenience, energy efficiency, and improved security with these smart window shades. Ideal for tall windows, hard-to-reach areas, and high ceilings. We hope you enjoyed the dancing, oops, I meant the presentation. And that concludes the end of the Window Shades Gallery and the end of this video. See something you liked or need help with? Please don't hesitate to contact Diamond Custom Shutters Incorporated to find the perfect window treatment solution for your needs. For more information, please don't hesitate to visit our website at shutters.ca or call James or Alan at 416-571-3315. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to view our picture gallery on our website or inside the description area as well. Please like, share and subscribe. We hope we can be of great assistance in choosing and creating the right window treatment solution for you. Have a great day.